Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come with me as we go diving or whatever it is on the Reach Fall in Portland. Alright, come along. So the journey to the fall was one like almost similar to Reggae Falls. I don't know why they have these falls in the hills or wherever it is, in the way up in the countryside, but I guess it's because of the water, the ocean water. So it's a long journey up into the hill. So we are finally in Portland. I have to take a picture, guys. Yes. Welcome to Portland. Alright. On entering this narrow road, we are now heading up to the fall. Yes, this road is good, but a little bit narrow. So you have to be careful when going around this section. Finally, we are seeing some light, guys. Like the venue is near, so let's follow these cars. Guys, we crossed those vendors on the side, so the Reach Fall office is close by. So here we are now. Yes, that looks like it. So we're gonna park and then we're gonna check out the office for the tickets to enter. So guys, I'm on my way to the office to purchase the tickets. Alright.
Yeah, you are one more.
So this officer helped me to put on my armband. Yes.
Reach Fall, sorry. I was there last week, that's why, sorry. It's Reach Fall. We are on our way down to Reach Falls. Reach Falls. Reach Falls. The ground is beautiful. Look at the grounds. Nice ginger lily and other plants. Green, luscious property. Green, luscious property. Can hear the sound of the water. Listen. Hear the water. Good property. Beautiful green property. Yeah. Going down to the falls, you can hear screaming. How much teeny level steps to go down. So guys, if your knees are not in good shape, maybe you will have to be lifted, because these are some Long steps down. See? Still a lot to go. Still a lot to go. Woo. Still a lot to go. Whoa. My knees are perfect, but I'm still feeling it. But yeah, so that's why I'm saying if your knees are not strong enough, make sure to take someone along with you to lift you. Right? Over there. Still have to go. Oh my! I thought that was it. Wow. Still going. Still going. Still going. Still going. Still going. The water is over there. But still going. The steps. Still going. Nice green, luscious property. Still going, still going, still going. Still going. Woo! Beautiful. Still going. Still going. Still going. Watch your clip. Slippery reservoir. Hi. How was it? No answer. Cold? Oh wow. It's very cold. I was told it's very cold, guys. Woo. Woo. This is oh wow. The end of the steps. It's maybe around 30, 40 steps.
Gimana bang? Video kamu?
Can't get them out here, so but you don't see them like you feel like that. You feel, yeah, you feel like the nervous. That's good.
So guys, this was the hardest part, to go under that rock where the water is beating, but I made it. Perseverance, yay! And off to the river. It was very nice, but very cold. While we were there, guys, it rained, but that didn't hinder us from having a good time. So it was during Independence, so a nice little crowd was at the fall. Yeah. So guys, thank you very much for accompanying me to Ridge Falls. It was a great day and we had fun. So until next video, bye.